Hi, welcome back to one of my videos, and today I'm gonna have a look at how to place gratings. Most of you might already know that if you go to Members, Outline, you can create checkered plates, gratings, and so on. Now, if you would like to fill in an area completely with grating, there's another function called Grating. In there, first thing you will do is choose one of your suppliers. I would, for example, choose here Ohio Grating. Let me just quickly load this. Okay, now it's being loaded. So aluminum series, for example. Search, this is the full series. Now I would like to filter a little bit, perhaps like this on the bearing bar height. See what we got left. And then I would, for example, like to choose this one over here. I just make sure that the name is indeed indicated here in the profile. And in the creation settings, I will say, well, in X, I would like to have no clearance. In the middle, yeah, also not for now. And in Y, I would say I would like to have 1/2 inch clearance at the start, 1/4 inch clearance in the middle, and again, 1/2 inch clearance at the end. I can see that I have a span here of 5 feet, 6 feet, 5 feet again. So I would say, well, I'm going to pick the values. So that would be 5 feet, 6 feet, 5 feet again. And I would like to split that up, not X times, not maximum length. I will just say, make these 2 feet in size and put the remainder towards the second point. Let's try that out. So 1, 2, and 3 for the surface. There we go, indeed 5 feet, 6 feet, another 5 feet. And if I have a look here, we indeed have that gap at the start, and there's a gap in between. So if you liked some of these videos, please don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to see any specific topics, just leave a comment down under the video. See you in the next one.